Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back for another video. Today is a very exciting day because today I am going to test this monitor. I just got this monitor home yesterday. If you like this video, please consider donating. This will make a huge difference on the future of this channel. If you like videos like this one, consider donating because that is what is actually going to make this possible in the future, to make videos like this one. So check out the link in the description for my PayPal donation link down below. It was listed on Marketplace for free, among a lot of other things from a property, and I noticed on the picture of items in the very far behind of everything on the picture, this monitor was placed in the background. So yeah, I'm going to find out if the monitor actually works. So that's very exciting. I wouldn't turn it on yesterday because I was afraid it was you know, if it has gotten any humidity. So over the last 24 hours, I hope that this monitor has lost all of its humidity inside. And so yeah, what do we have? It's an Amitech monitor, and as you can see, it's got a bit of a rough story. Someone has probably at first placed it in a bad position on some tiles outside, or I don't know. But other than these markings, it actually looks pretty good if you look at the glass panel, which, to be honest, is the most important part. So it looks exciting. What do we have here? TCO Ecology Energy 95. And we have this knob here to navigate on the menu and the on button. So yeah, let's check out the model number on the back. So I just turned it on the other side here. As you can see, it is still a bit dirty. I need to clean it one more time, but this is how it looks on the back. It's a pretty big monitor. I have another monitor on this side here. I think this is like 16-17 inches. This might actually be a 19-inch CRT monitor. But let's check out the specifications here. As you can see, it has product number 13040, product series BZ986NS, model number 986N. And yeah, there it is, November 2003. So this monitor is 22 years old. That is very old. And it actually suits this HP PC quite well with the gray and silver design. So yeah, this is how it looks on the side. And on the bottom we have this foot it stands on, and a lot of holes on the bottom here, as well as on the sides. And what do we have here? Okay, actually I did not notice what. Okay, so we have a power input, and we have also a power input for speakers. I actually didn't know that before now, that it has built-in speakers, I suppose. No, wait a minute. No, it does not have built-in speakers. It's an output, so It's capable of outputting power to a set of speakers. And what do we have? 15 volts, max current, 250 milliamps. So yeah, no, I don't think there's built-in speakers, although that would have been pretty nice. I don't see any mounts on the sides for speakers, so it's probably just for some external, maybe Amatec branded speakers that you can place on each side of the monitor. But yeah, we have, lastly, we have the, of course, the VGA cable that is pretty common on these CRT displays. But yeah, let's see if the monitor actually works. Let's hook the monitor up to my old computer here. So let's plug the VGA cable in, the VGA output port. And let's turn on the computer first. And now let's brace for impact. I'm going to hook the monitor up to power. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it has not exploded. That's a good sign. Let's see if it will power up. Oh, that is promising. Come on, come on. Yes, yes, we have an image. Oh my goodness. Okay, I forgot that I haven't installed Windows on that machine, so we're going to connect to my new computer with a USB-C to DisplayPort adapter, and we're going to adapt that to a DisplayPort to VGA adapter. So that is how you do that if you have a newer computer and want to hook up your old CRT display. Okay, so right now it does not work on my laptop. Let's try my desktop PC. Okay, now something is happening. It's turning on. And we have the boot up screen. And there we have Windows 11. Let's see what screen modes we can apply. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we're able to get 100 Hertz at a 800 by 600 pixels resolution. So that is pretty cool. It is very responsive at this rate. And if we go here, we can see all of the available modes. So if we want a higher resolution, we can get 1280 by 1024 at 75 Hertz. That is pretty cool. So yeah, it worked. So if you ever find a display like placed outside for free, it can actually turn out to be a working display. So yeah, that is all of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in another video, and goodbye.